Hey, Bell.
What's up?
What's your string attached to?
Oh, I prefer not to tell.
I want to find out.
It's none of your business.
I'm gonna find out. Huh?
Ow! Ding, ding, ding! Help alert! I need this eraser off of me!
Whoa, Belly, what's the ruckus?
Eraser's climbing my string and I don't like it.
You have a string? Huh, I never noticed. What's at the top?
Why, that's not important.
I found my next adventure.
Ding dong! Ding dong! Somebody get these rascals down!
I can certainly punch those weak rascals down for you.
Gee, thanks, Snowball. I knew I'd find someone.
As long as you let me up.
Are you kidding me? Donut, where's the rest of your team?
They're all climbing Bell! Which I frankly find very disrespectful to Bell.
Thank you, Donut. There ain't a hole in your logic. Lightning, can you zap me?
Wait, you want to be zapped?
Yeah, because the shot will travel up my string and zap all those climbers off.
Well, if you say so.
That's the biggest zaptation I've ever seen.
Like saying, yo.